Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So it is a new week, and technically everything you see today I made last week. This is just how it works. So today we are going to be working on a new scratcher tray. I already did the base. You guys know I kind of skipped that part for you guys. It's just epoxy with some white mica powder in it. A white background definitely makes all the colors pop. I am doing a scratcher tray for Texas Scratcher Life. So it's a black and white logo with a little red in the star. So the colors I'm going to do are going to be black iron with a little shimmer, white with a little shimmer. I have silver. I'm going to put a little silver in it. I have regular white. I had to open a new one. I do have wine red because that, out of all my alcohol inks, is the best red, like true red. And then I have black. I got it all over my hands. It doesn't take long. I already got the boring part done. I mixed all the epoxy, so let's get y'all in here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Get this down, hopefully. There we go. Because y'all don't want to see me. Y'all want to see this tray right here. I have to move y'all over just a little bit. I got a couple different projects sitting here on the table. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pour this clear in here. That has already been mixed up. Once again, skip the boring part. So we're going to fill this with some clear. We're not going to fill it all the way up because it still has to get the logo, and then I have to put clear on it too. But most of you know how this goes. If you are new to the channel, this is a pretty cool process. I feel like each tray I'm getting better and better at. Just want to make sure it is all covered, not filled to the top. Because like I said, you have to have room to put the logo on and seal that in with your top coat, if that makes sense. So let me get all these open here. So what we do is you shake all your alcohol ink up really good. You want to shake it up good. Just to get it all mixed up at the end. Because a lot of times the color will sink and the ink, the color, hello, I can talk, sinks to the bottom of the alcohol. So you got to make sure you shake them up. Okay, we're going to go this way with the drops because it's just bleh. I can't talk today. The design I'm going to do is going to be like an up and down. So a horizontal, dropping the inks, vertical design. If that makes any sense, I don't know. So let's go, y'all. We're going to start off with some white. I'm going to do a little black. Okay, I'm going to do a little silver. Now, once again, I will do a short of this because I think it's just going to look absolutely beautiful. Put some red in between the silver and a little here. Now we're going to do the black with the shimmer. I'm going to do some more white. And just keep going. Alright, so then I'll do a little red. I don't want to put a whole lot of red, but I think it's really going to help it pop some. You know what I mean? Okay. White. Maybe I didn't need the other white. Who knows? Black. We kind of just let this sit here and do its thing. And while it's doing its thing, I kind of work on some other stuff, pouring. I'll put a little red down here. I'm going to do a little black too. The black iron has the shimmer in it. That white is about toast. So that's what we're doing. We have black, white, silver, and a little red. Because the logo is mainly white and black. Kind of just go around. Now, alcohol ink always pulls to the center. So you want to kind of make sure you just go around and check your edges. If you have any really empty spots, you want to make sure you fill those in. Where is the white shimmer? This is the white shimmer. This is the white with the just a little shimmer in it. So we'll put that away. That's done. We're not using any more of that. Just a little more silver where I had the lines at. Okay, that one's good there. And we're just, like I said, kind of let it do its thing here. I feel like I want to put a little more black here. There's that one. This is the black iron, so it's the black with the shimmer. Alright, we're going to let that do its thing. I'll leave those open there. So I'm going to kind of slide you guys over here so you can see. I did get Courtney Scratch Reclaimers coins all done. These are absolutely beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Look at that blue. And here's the purple ones. So I will be getting them shipped out to her. Now I have to finish these. I got epoxy here. So I got to finish sealing this in here while we're letting that do its thing. I didn't have enough in here to fill that. To put a coaster, Game of Life coaster set. Sorry, I'm working on. So then I'm just going to kind of seal these ones in because these ones are done. Well, they're not done. You know, done for the next part, I should say. Okay, there's that one. I do have some more epoxy mixed here. Because we want to get these, while we're waiting for that to do its thing. So I got to fill these up. Make sure they're full. Make sure epoxy goes all the way to the edge. Okay, so we have some left. So what I'm going to do is get a paper towel. Because this is dripping everywhere. And I'm going to make sure you guys can see. I gotta make some more coaster holders. So just add some green in there. And we're just gonna kind of mix this up in here. We're still trying to let the alcohol ink do its thing. And then I'm gonna go through and see if I need to add any more. And then we will swirl it. Remember, always, always, always scrape your sides. Alright, so I need to do a regular round green coaster set. I'm trying to get where you guys can see. Woohoo! That was just right. Do I got any palm tree molds? What did I do with my palm tree molds? I don't know. But that's good there. I'm going to take this, go like that, spray those. Those are good. Alright, let me get this out of the way here real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I just wanted to clean some of it up a little bit. So it's pretty much set where it's setting at. So now what I'm going to do is take my little stick. This is actually like a nail cuticle pusher. And I am going to start swirling is the plan. And just kind of swirl it around. I might have to stand up for this. Oh! Grab another paper towel here. It wasn't easy because their logo doesn't have a lot of colors, but I think this is gonna look freaking awesome. And then, you know, I go around the sides. Wow, that's pretty. I think that was like the right amount of red. Now the one black I used, it's kind of a new black. I do like it. It's the only bad thing when you get the swirling, then you get these giant bubbles that I gotta pop. But I like it. I think it turned out really cool. Pop some of these bubbles here. I hope they like it. So far, so good. Only ever had one complaint about one tray, but I'm not a professional. Wow, that looks really good. Let me show you guys. I'll get y'all in here. This is what I'm seeing. Let me straighten y'all out a little bit. I try to make it look like smoke is what I was trying to do. I feel like maybe, oh damn, did I just stick my finger in there? I'm trying to get this red to go in here a little more. I think that looks good. Because this is their logo up close. And there is a little red in the star. So the plan is, look at that. Look at that. That is going to look awesome. And it'll make the red and the star really pop too. So you guys know how it goes. I got to sit here and be on bubble watch. And go from there. So like I said, I'm going to sit here and watch for bubbles that pop up. This needs to set for 24 hours. Then I can get the logo on it. And then I can get the top coat on and seal it in. Just try and pop these bubbles here. And go from there. I hope they like it. Texas Scratcher Life. If you watch this channel, which I think you do. Thank you everybody for giving me the opportunity to do their scratcher trays. Everybody's been pretty cool to let me have my own little creative thing with it. But I think that is going to look amazing. Especially with their logo. You know what I mean? Because there is red on one half of the star. Oh yeah, that's going to look great. Alright, so let's let this sit and we'll check on it in the morning. Hey, welcome back, y'all. So it's technically been, I think, 48 hours because you guys see me do the alcohol ink in the tray. Then I put the sticker on. I let the sticker sit on there for 24 hours before I poured any epoxy to really let the adhesive from the sticker stick to the epoxy that I put it on. And then I sealed it with the clear. And here it is. We're going to pop this sucker out. This is for Texas Scratcher Life. This thing looks awesome, y'all. Let's go. Let's pop this sucker out here and see how it goes. Now, mind you, if you are watching this Texas Scratcher Life, it has to set. So I won't be able to ship it this week. Probably the end of next week. I need to go through and sand and get these little burrs off. Stuff like that. But man, oh man, did that sucker turn out awesome, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I know the glare from the window, so y'all know I'm going to pick y'all up so you see. And I will definitely do a short of it because we did put some shimmer stuff in there. Woo. That red really pops, y'all, because there's a little red in that star. There is like a little indentation there. I don't know what that is. I am not a professional, but it still looks absolutely amazing. Like I said, I have to go through and sand the edges and stuff like that. So I hope you like your tray, Texas Scratcher Life. Usually I always ask if they want a picture, if they want to wait till the video comes out. I'm still working on some Game of Life coaster sets. I still need to make another square base. Actually, I have to make 2 more square bases and I have to pour 2 more coasters. And then once I get them all sanded and everything, I know a few people were asking if they were available. I guess I will make them available because I do have more tickets to make more. So that's really all we got going on right now. I am all caught up on orders, so if anybody wants to place an order, this would be the time to do it. I also want to say happy 4th of July, everybody. I hope everybody has an amazing 4th of July weekend. Stay safe, stay cool, because it is hot in a lot of places, and be safe with them fireworks, but have fun, y'all. Get out there and have some fun. If you're not a fireworks person, go see the parades. Most towns and cities and states have big parades and stuff. Just try to stay hydrated because it is going to be hot out everywhere. Well, I can't say everywhere because somebody was getting snow the other day. So this turned out absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's so cool looking, and it matches their logo perfect because there's a little red in the star, and it really makes it pop. So this has to set for a week. I gotta go around and sand the edges. So that's about it. If you are new here, subscribe, like, comment, share. It don't cost a thing. I post videos every Wednesday, random shorts, and then I go live when I can on this channel because I do have another channel, Princess Scratcher. So until next time, you guys have a great 4th of July weekend. Everybody be safe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.